then you get down the bowl, kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor.
That's his nose. That's the puppy's nose.
What the fuck? Come on, I know you can do it. There it goes, round and round, round and round. There you go, round and round.